Jane, my sister, I have a reason for bringing this issue back here in the village. If you want, I can involve Mama into this. Jane, please, why don't you leave Ike? Just leave Ike for me. I don't want a man to bring problem between you and I. You are my only sister. Jane, please.
Ma, are you not ashamed of yourself for bringing Mama into this matter? Please, where is Ike?
Are you asking me about Ike? Why don't you call his number? Call his number. Oh no.
But I called his line, it's not going. I need his other line.
If you need Ike other line, tell him to give you the line. I don't have it.
Ma, do you know you are very wicked? You are very wicked. You came to me complaining how desperate you need a man. I fought for it, grabbed him for you. Now I'm complaining bitterly about the same man. Ma, why can't you leave the man for me? I'm your only sister.
Yes, you are my only sister. But I paid you for it. I paid you for it. I paid you for it.
In that case, say what you required from me and you will have it. I don't have time for all this blah 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 way they talk. That is the reason why I'm here.
Well, Jane, I don't think I need any other thing. I don't need anything. I need Ike.
Ma, make a request of money, material things, anything at all. You will have them.
I don't need it. I need Ike.
Ma, make a request of money, material things, anything. You will have them.
And I said I don't need it. All I need is Ike.
Then leave him for me. I need him. And I love him. And you know that. Excuse me. Please.
Ma, where are you? Ma. Why are you here?
Nothing.
Ma, what is it? What are you doing here? I came back to my house and I found out the doors were open and everywhere. What happened? Nobody in the parlor and you left the doors open.
Nothing. I'm okay.
Then what are you doing here? Is there something you're not telling me?
No.
Hey, calm down. You can talk to me. Whatever it is, I am ready to listen.
I'm okay.
What is it?
I'm fine. I'm okay. My love, I'm fine. I'll help at you. Wait, let's go there. I don't want my mom to hear our discussion. She's there.
Sure. Your mom is here. She's here.
Come. So what is it?
There is one issue that has been disturbing my heart. That is the reason I'm here.
Did you have any misunderstanding with the owner of the hotel?
No, not at all. And the man is a good man.
So what is it?
I fall in love with the man, but my sister is a barrier in my life.
And then remove her and enjoy your life now.
How can I do that?
Kill her.
I should do what?
Kill her.
My only sister. No.
Which sister? I thought you said she's a barrier. Then remove her and enjoy your life.
No. Ebere, please. No, my mother will die. No.
Wait. How can I? Nothing will happen. You know, that man is a very good man. And he's a very rich man.
Ebere, that man has cash. And he gets hard to spend it on.
Yes, my dear. Him and Ipatego, and he won't be. So you better remove her before she remove you first.
No, she's my only sister.
Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Then how can we achieve this?
Okay. You will go back. Then come back tomorrow evening. Let's sleep over it. Let's sleep over it.
Abby.
Don't worry, come and go before my mother sees it.
Abby, my friend, you suggested I kill my sister. How do I go about it?
Go to Okosisi. He will help you.
Okosisi what? But Okosisi is dead now.
Who said so? Okay. He's dead, but his son took over. So he's more like the father. Very powerful.
Are you serious? Oh, Abby, my friend. Abby, my God. Abby, good. Your suggestion is a million suggestions.
Yes.
I love that.
Just do it. So that you enjoy your life with your
Abby, that's why I make you my friend.
And don't forget about me.
Why go?
What did you even bring back from this?
Many things.
Otu nwaanyị bụ ndị ka obodo die ọ na-edewe ndị na ahụrụpụrụ n'ike ọzọ afere gbada je wee gba nwunye m na m ghọtara naanị gọ m nke ike kwuru nke afere kwuru badike ba m ọgbọsọ ọgụ ka achọwa dị ike o apịako awụsị gbara agwụgwa epụta nwa bebe gaza nye bụ n'ogiri ji apịọ kacha ntị bụrụ ogiri ji apịọ ọnwụ wee gbuchie ya ezi o this is a sham. I'll give you this sham. When you get home, put it small, a little, inside the drink. Because this sham is strong. It can kill more than 100 people at a time. Take it. Take it. I said take it. Take it. Take the sham. But, yes. When you put it, take her far away, out of the house.
To where one?
Any bush, any just far away, any can here inside the bush anyhow. Do you hear me? They can go.
Just I should go.
I say Gaba, Neje.
Just that.
Neje. It's okay. Neje. Neje.
Thank you.
Oh, no, I'm going to go. Neje. Hey, I'm going to go. I'm going to say, Open mother was doing care. Hey, I'm not going to see him. Never can kiss him. Macaroon, as in on your never mala bacana. What you come over and call you? I'm moving.
Chinwe! Who is this cleaner? Chinwe!
Yes.
You are not still done with the mobbing. No. Be fast too, because I want to go in and dress and get back to work. Besides, I need something soft. I need soft drink, anything at all. Just give me something like tasty. What is this girl?
What is she doing?
She says she wants soft drink.
Soft drink, yes. You know what? I want to talk to you.
Chinwe, be fast now. Chinwe! Chinwe! Jane.
My lovely sister.
You are here. Where are you from?
From village.
I asked you what to give me salt. Is that mine?
Yeah.
How sweet. Chinwe, I need open. Why is it open?
I didn't know. Don't you trust me anymore? Are you suspecting me? Don't you trust your sister anymore?
I'm not suspecting.
My lovely sister. Now I love you so much.
I don't just need your trust this time around.
Forget, you look good.
Jen, I don't need your trust this time around.
You know I love you so much. Be fast though. I need to show you something.
Show me what?
I saw ice shoe inside the bush.
You saw what?
Inside the bush, I saw ice shoe.
You saw what?
Ice shoe inside this bush.
Inside the bush?
Yeah.
I'm coming. Let me just dress up for. So I come back. I will.
Be fast, oh! Don't waste time. Wow. See, as I was coming to call you, so I was pressed. I entered inside bush. See what I saw there is Ike shoe inside this bush.
You saw what?
Ike shoe. Let's see.
Shoe now. Where is Ike's shoe?
What is it?
Jane.
What is it? Can't you talk?
My tummy.
Your tummy.
Jane, my tummy.
My friend, keep quiet. For your information.
Jane.
See that drink I gave to you? I put poison in it. So you deserve to die. Ungrateful sister. After all I did for you to release Ike from me, you refused. You deserve to die.
Jane,
don't call me.
Because of a man, you want to kill your only sister, Jane. Jane, please. Jane, please. Jane. Jane!
Who like you?
Jane.
Ungrateful sister.
Jane, why? Jane, because of a man, you're killing me.
If you keep quiet, die. You deserve to die.
Jane, help me.
Jane!
Jane!
You're not Jane, I'm dead. Jane! Shit,
Kedu no onye mere ihe nke a biko? Nne m itetego. You are awake?
Where am I?
Sorry. You are in my house. Sorry. Kekwane ka ime?
I'm fine.
Thank God for your life. If not for Agwotrombe, if not for him, I wonder what we would have done. Thank God for your life, my dear. So how are you now?
I'm getting better.
Oh, thank God. I wonder who did this thing to you. Eh? How can somebody drag somebody inside the bush and allow the person to die?
It's my sister.
What?
Yes.
Your blood sister? Oh my God. Sorry, my dear. My husband must hear this. That your sister must be very wicked. My dear, sorry. That your sister must be wicked.
Honestly, Boniface, if you ask me, I don't know what to do. I've searched everywhere for her. There seems to be no trace of her. Everywhere. And I'm sure you've done the same too.
Yeah. I even visited one of her friends last time, but she said the same thing, that she doesn't know her whereabouts.
Something tells me Jane, her sister, has a hand in her disappearance.
What? No. So how can you say a thing like that?
Something tells me.
So I know Jane to be of a kind of desperate girl, but not to the extent of having hand in her sister's disappearance. No, I don't think so. So I disagree with you this time. Mama is her senior sister.
This is really unbelievable. Now tell me, what exactly do I do?
Sir, if you ask me, I think you should involve police in this matter.
Police?
Yes.
Boniface, what do I tell the police? I have no form of evidence. Nothing at all. What do I tell them?
This whole thing is just becoming confusing. Even last time I visited her friend, the daughter of her friend, she still said the same thing. She said that she doesn't know her whereabouts.
No. I think Jane has a hand in this. Something tells me Jane has a hand in her sister's disappearance.
You are right based on that area of police, but for Jane having something to do with her sister's disappearance, I still don't agree with you.
Good morning, my dear.
Please, I'm looking for one lady that works here. They call her Mma.
Okay, Mma. Who has missing?
Hey.
He has missing, but I know that my Oga has got yes.
And your guy is not around?
No, he's not around.
Okay.
He's not around.
I'll be coming from time to time to see whether they have seen her. Okay, thank you.
Sunday. Where is these children?
I don't know why you refuse to take me as your mom. You diverted your love to another.
Jane, look, I have told you something. We have nothing in common. I have no feelings for you. Mma is the one I love. Okay? Not you. And please, get that into your skull.
But I am here just to tell you how much I love you.
Alright, now listen and listen attentively. You and I can never have anything in common. We have nothing in common, okay? And be ready to leave here as soon as Mma returns, okay?
But I really...
But don't you dare! Let me tell you. I know you have a hand in Mma's whereabouts. When the time comes, you will surely tell us where you kept her.
Remember, you also know my whereabouts because she works for you. And very soon, you will tell us what happens to you.
Jane, are you this wicked?
Just say that you love me. I will protect you in any angle.
I hate you.
But I love you so much. I really love you.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. No problem. Expect to me. Yes. Yes, you said you wanted to see me.
Yes, actually, my boys and I, we've been in the field in search of your staff who is missing. And it seems to be no traces about her whereabouts, you know. We've searched everywhere, but we couldn't find her. So I was kind of wondering, is there any colleague of hers this your hotel that you suspecting might be responsible for her disappearance?
Officer, I'm afraid no.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, in that case, one thing I'm assuring you is that my boys and I will definitely get rid of it. We must find her. So we must find her, okay? We must definitely get rid of it. I have to run along now, okay? To the office.
It's alright, sir.
It's okay? It's alright, sir. Thank you very much.
If as soon as you get any information, you let me know, sir.
Of course, I'll do that, sis. Thank you.
My sister's disappearance is disturbing me. I didn't know what to do in this issue.
Okay, you didn't bury her.
No, I left her in the bush now.
I bet I'm in trouble. You didn't bury her, right?
No, now I left her in the bush now.
I suggest we go back there, find her, then bury her. So that nobody will suspect.
Hey! When are we going?
Now.
Please, I better be fast. Be fast.
Don't worry. Let me go and tell my mother. Let me go and tell my mother that I'm going out there. So that I also bring shovel.
I better be fast, oh. This stupid girl, I left her here. Are you sure? Yes, now. She died here in my presence.
You confirm she fell down and died?
Yes.
You said a voice called your name.
Yes, so I had my name. That is the reason I ran away.
Maybe it's a spirit voice.
Spirit, what?
Because this place is where they bury dead people.
Hey! But you didn't tell me that spirits live around you.
See, you see your sister's body. Maybe wild animal has eaten her.
Are you serious?
Hey!
Let's go.
Let's go.
So, how was your night?
The night was very rough. I was pursuing all over the place in my dreams.
I saw you when you were struggling yesterday.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Emma. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was your night?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good, my dear.
I hope you have fully recovered now.
Yes, but I'm okay. I'm okay now.
See, Uma, I saw your sister and one girl in the bush yesterday searching for you where they left you to die and rot away.
Are you serious?
Yes, I saw them with my eyes. That sister of yours is evil, and I'm sure she will kill you if she finds you again.
But brother, why don't we call the police?
Police is not the best. Police is not the best right now in this case.
Yeah.
Police is not the right place to go right now.
So, I will stay here for the rest of my life?
No, my dear. It's just for a while. Just relax. We'll think of something. We'll just think of something how to handle it, okay? It's just No. Oh. Stop.
Why are you crying?
Stop.
Why are you crying?
Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry, yeah? It's okay.
Are you crying at your life or you're crying because did you... What? Jane, are you alright? Why are you crying? What is this happening? Why?
My sister appeared to me last night with tears. She told me how she was killed by 3 kidnappers.
Kidnappers?
Yes, so
She appeared to you and told you how she was killed by kidnappers.
3 kidnappers. Hey, my only sister, Mama. Oh, God.
It's alright.
God, why? Why my sister?
It's okay, it's okay. You don't question God. Huh? Everything will be alright.